Staring at a blank screen, trying to write a video script? I've been there. It's frustrating, and it can stop your creativity in its tracks. But what if I told you that you could have a complete, professional video script and the video to go with it in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how, using the power of AI. No experience needed. By the end of this video, you will learn how to generate a full video script in under a minute with a single prompt. The one-click trick to turn that script into a complete video draft. How to customize your video with your own style and branding. Pro tips for adding voiceovers and subtitles to make your video look expert level. Section 1. Generating your AI script. Step 1. Getting started. First, head to FlexClip.com on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is quick, easy, and free. I've also put a direct link in the video description below to save you time. Once you're in, look for the AI video script tool. Click on it. It's your new best friend for beating creative block. Step 2. The magic of a great prompt. Now, this is the most important step, and it's super simple. The key is to give the AI a clear and concise description of what you want. Think of it like giving directions to a friend. Tell it the topic, the goal, and a couple of key points. For example, instead of just coffee shop, let's use a better prompt. Create a 30-second Instagram promo for a sustainable coffee shop, focusing on eco-friendly packaging and fair trade beans. The tone should be warm and inviting. Here's a pro tip. The more specific you are with the tone, like funny, serious, or inspirational, the better the AI can match the vibe you're going for. Step 3. Generate your script. Then, just click that big Generate button. In just seconds, watch the magic happen. The FlexClip AI will create a structured script for you, complete with scenes, visual descriptions, and suggested voiceover narration. Just like that, the hard part is over. Section 2. Converting script to video. Step 4. One-click video creation. Okay, you have your script. Now, here's where it gets really cool. Instead of just copying and pasting, look for the AI to video button. Go ahead, click it. FlexClip will now automatically analyze your script and generate a full video draft for you. It intelligently matches the keywords in your text with relevant stock videos, images, and even adds background music. Step 5. Adding a professional voiceover. To make your video truly stand out, let's give a voice. FlexClip has an amazing library of AI voiceovers. These aren't the old robotic voices you might be thinking of. They sound incredibly natural. Browse through the different voices and languages. My tip, listen to a few samples. I often find that a slightly slower speaking speed can make the narration sound more clear and authoritative. Once you've picked one, generate the voiceover. Section 3. Polishing and finalizing. Step 6. Perfecting subtitles. With your voiceover in place, let's make sure everyone can enjoy your video, even with the sound off. Click on the Auto Subtitle feature. The AI will now listen to your voiceover and generate perfectly synchronized subtitles in minutes. Don't forget to style your subtitles. Change the font, the color, and maybe add a subtle background shadow to make the text really pop against any video. This small touch makes a huge difference in looking pro. Step 7. Review and customize your video. Once the AI is done, you'll have a complete video, but this is your creation, so let's make it perfect. First, watch the draft all the way through. See how the AI interpreted your words. You'll notice it has added scenes, music, and even placeholder text for subtitles. Now let's customize. Click on any scene you want to change. A massive library of stock media from FlexClip will pop up. Found a clip you love? Great! But here's a trick. Use the search bar to find even more specific footage. If your script mentions sunrise, try searching for golden hour or early morning to find different beautiful options. You can also easily change the text, adjust the timing of each clip, and start adding your logo and brand colors. Step 8. Export your masterpiece. When you're happy and honestly, you'll be amazed at what you've created. Click Export, choose your video quality, and let FlexClip process your final video. Conclusion and recap. And just like that, in only a few minutes, you've created a professional, engaging video from a simple idea. No stress, no scriptwriting headaches. To quickly recap, you now know how to write an effective AI prompt for a perfect script, the one-click AI to video trick to build your scenes, how to customize with stock media, voiceovers, and styled subtitles, the importance of choosing the right aspect ratio for your platform. Click the link in the description to try the FlexClip AI script generator for yourself. I can't wait to see what you make. So let me know in the comments what your first AI video is about. So what will you create? If this step-by-step guide took the fear out of video creation, do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple guides that take the confusion out of tech. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.